look at what I have that last night I have a rough night last night. We have the severe storm last night. Heavy rain, wind, a strong wind. So what happened to the trees? It is like I have a big limb. See, that is for the trees. See, it got split from the big tree going there, almost hit my my roof. And I am lucky. I'm really lucky that it not hit my roof. I don't know what I do if these trees goes hit my roof, because I don't have any house insurance. So and now see, so look at the damage last night, the wind last night. Almost hit the roof. Almost. God with me last night. He protect me. See. See. This is the other side. See. From there, going there, it is far. And this is my damage from last night's storm. Yeah. See, look at where the roof and the trees hit here. It's a long, it's a big limbs actually. And these trees is close to my bedroom last night, so I am lucky that it's not hit my bedroom. I am very lucky. No. I'm really lucky. Now, my problem now, I have a big problem where I can find, where I can, you know, just by myself, and I cannot do this. I cannot cut the trees. What? So I'm looking for a person to trim or to cut this limb on the ground. But my big problem, where I get the money to pay for it. And that is the disadvantage if you're just living by yourself and nobody can help you except yourself. So I don't know, maybe it takes a month before I can get rid of these trees. So I just let that, all these limbs on the ground, because right now I don't have any money to pay the labor, because the labor also here is too expensive. So, and help me to pray for me to find some money that I can pay the labor to do this. So help me, God. Okay, and this is the, see how long is that to cut from here to there is a long, from there up to there. So got the major job of this. See, really close to my door. Okay, thank you for watching. Please support and subscribe my channel so that it can help me. I don't know if I can make money of doing these vlogs, because until now I don't receive any penny on it. So still, thank you so much to continue view my blogs, and thank you to support me on my blog, and don't stop watching on my blogs, and especially the advertising. So hope it will help me. But right now, it's been a year doing this, but I don't receive any money from YouTube. So thank you so much for supporting me and likes my videos. Thank you so much. Bye.